Hello there and welcome back, my fellow business leaders. I'm Paul Battrick, your trusted business investor and mentor, back with you today to share some more invaluable insights on a topic that is crucial for any business owner: employee wages and bonuses. In this second video, we will explore the importance of developing a detailed budget for employee compensation and, most importantly, how to stick to it. Having spent nearly three decades in the business world, I've witnessed firsthand the impact that employee wages and bonuses can have on a company's success. It's not just about attracting and retaining top talent, it's about aligning your compensation practices with your business goals and ensuring fairness and sustainability. So let's dive into the exercise of developing a detailed budget for employee wages and bonuses, shall we? So, step one, review your current employee compensation structure. Take a close look at your wages, salaries, bonuses, and benefits. Understanding your existing setup is crucial for making informed decisions moving forward. Step number two is to analyze your financial position and cash flow. Determine the maximum amount that you can allocate towards employee wages and bonuses without compromising the financial health of your business. We all like to pay all our valued team members more, but we have to be realistic and make sure that we can afford to do so, because otherwise they'll be out of a job. Step three, consider the industry standards and market rates. This is really important. You want to be competitive, and in some cases I recommend to actually pay a little bit more if you want to attract the best people, but there are obviously other ways of attracting the top talent rather than just offering the biggest salaries. You're going to want to ensure that your compensation remains competitive to attract and retain top talent. Benchmarking against similar positions in your industry will help you make fair and informed decisions. Step number four in the process is to evaluate your employee performance and contributions. When determining bonuses or salary increases, consider the impact each employee has on your business. Rewarding those who go above and beyond and fostering a culture of excellence. Step number five, identify areas for optimization. Streamlining operations and cutting unnecessary expenses can free up more funds for employee compensation. It's really about finding a balance that benefits both your business and your employees. At the end of the day, once again, it's much better to be able to pay your valued employees, the people that are actually helping your business to grow, than it is perhaps your suppliers or other costs that may be there. Number six, really important on this, foster open communication. Keep your employees informed about the financial health of the business and the factors influencing their compensation. Transparency builds trust and strengthens your relationship with your team, so that if you do have to have those difficult conversations at any time, your team will be on board and more than open to your suggestions. If it's all about financial, you don't share anything, it's all a big secret, then it's going to be more difficult because there's a lack of trust there. The more trust you have in the business, the more involved your employees are, the more they feel part of the business. Step number seven, consider alternative compensation models. Explore options such as profit sharing, stock options, or performance-based incentives to align your employees' interests with the success of your business. This can be a powerful motivator, although I would be careful with issuing shares and offering stock to employees too early on, and do this really as a last resort. There are many other ways of motivating in terms of financial performance and things like that. Step number eight, let's regularly review and update your budget. Adjustments may be necessary to accommodate changes in employee compensation, business performance, or economic conditions. Flexibility is key, whether this is something that you do yourself or you have a financial director more likely, or somebody who's actually in the accounts department looking after the financial side of the business. Make sure that there are always regular reviews going on so that you know where you are, they know where they are, and as we said earlier, it's important to ensure that your team knows where you are as well. Step number nine, seek professional advice. If you don't have them in-house, then I would recommend consulting HR consultants or financial experts to ensure your compensation practices are fair, compliant, and sustainable. Their expertise will guide you in making sound decisions. It's always well worth getting experts into the business wherever you can, even if they're not working directly for you. And number 10, monitor employee morale and satisfaction. Let's regularly gauge the effectiveness of your compensation strategies by assessing employee morale and satisfaction levels. But remember, morale and satisfaction levels aren't just to do with how much they're getting paid. If that's the case, then you're always going to be beholden to the marketplace in terms of salaries. What you want is to garner a atmosphere of trust and belonging, so that people feel like they're stakeholders, so they're motivated by what we're trying to do as a company, rather than just the financial motivations. Because if that's the case, then you are going to attract the wrong types of people. Their feedback will guide you in making any necessary judgments that you have to make. And remember, developing your detailed budget for employee wages and bonuses is a continuous exercise that requires careful consideration and regular review. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create compensation structure that not only rewards your employees, but also contributes to the long-term success of your business. Well, that's it for this video today. If you found this introduction intriguing, then make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because then you'll be notified when we launch the next video, which will be coming out soon. Do stay tuned for those upcoming videos where we'll be delving deeper into other aspects of business management and growth and what have you. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences in regards to what we've talked about today, employee compensation, then do feel free to leave a comment below. Let's enhance our understanding together, because nobody knows everything. So I do welcome any suggestions that you have, any comments, and please, if you feel like this video is useful for you or one of your team members, or indeed one of your colleagues from another business, then please do share this with you. I'm Paul Battrick, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.